We have got a monster Copperhead offset for y'all here today. This is a Copperhead 72 by 30, loaded out, just about everything we could throw at it. I'm talking off-road package. Got the upgraded 3D axles, all right, with our extra large wheel and tire package. I mean, guys, you don't have to have a mud tire on your big ass Copperhead smoker, but I mean, after you've seen this one, why wouldn't you? You know what I'm saying? Sucker's badass. On the front here, we've got a 6-gallon double basket Cajun fryer. We've been throwing these fryers on just about everything, guys. They work great. I mean, let's face it, just about everything's better fried, guys. So get your fryer on your build. We did a double cup holder right here out front. For the front shelf, he did upgrade to stainless steel, all right? I mean, there's nothing wrong with wire mesh, guys, but let's face it, stainless steel's the way to go, all right? We'll open this bad girl up. So 72 by 30, 30 inches deep. He did add our charcoal tray option. So what that is you take your reverse flow plates out, set your ash pan down in there, then your charcoal pan, boom, you got a charcoal grill, all right? And actually, he only ordered one. I hooked him up and got him two. You're welcome, Alonzo. Appreciate you, brother. Bottom and top sliding trays. So you do have a lot of cook room in this unit. Like I mentioned, it is reverse flow. So the way that'll work, we got the removable plates, directs the heat all the way down and then back out of the stack. And speaking of stack, it is a fold down stack. There she is right there. Makes it to where if you got to roll in and out of the garage, you can do that with ease. Well, I say with ease. This is a big ass smoker, guys. It's about a 3-man job moving around, or just me by myself, but y'all ain't all me. Inside here, we've got our extra large hot box. 6 trays in this unit. Over 2,500 square inches of cook space in just this hot box alone. Now we do have our removable plate set up in here. So how that works is we got daisy wheels. You can crack those open and that will raise the temp in here, or you can pull the whole plate out and get direct fire in there. Works extremely well. Of course, you can see we got the copper accents everywhere, hence the name, the Copperhead, all right, just makes sense. Now above the firebox here, we've got one of our folding shelves. Set you a couple pans up there, all your seasons up there. You may even set your baby up there, keep them warm. Fold that back down. On the firebox, he did upgrade to an insulated firebox. He's got some goodies in there, some fireboard supplies, guys. We are a dealer for fireboard right there. Shameless plug. He's also got one of our TMG torch charcoal chimneys. Come around to the back side, that ain't it. We've got a rear shelf back here, as well as a double burner setup with the removable griddle top, guys. Pretty slick setup. So that's going out to my man Alonzo down in the great state of Texas. So y'all know the deal. If you need a custom pit built, you know to call TMG Pits, Knoxville, Tennessee. But hold on, wait. Y'all want to see some barbecue in action? Come to Knoxville May 23rd, TMG Fest. Get your tickets online.